right, this is Dr. Jin Sung and welcome back. Today is Tuesday, 12:30, and I'm excited to show you my office. So we're going to give you a brief office tour today, and we'll try to explain things as we go along, okay? So I'm going to grab the camera and I'm going to show you the office, maybe from the entrance, and then we'll move back towards the offices, okay? All right. So this is our main entrance right here, and we are located within a large health facility, large gym. This is our office space right in here, the reception area. So we have some magazines and so forth, your simple reception area. As we go back here, this is our reception desk, and you've seen this before. This is where we have most of our supplements lined up, and where we have our nutrition ready for our patients. We have plenty of stock for that. And as we go back here, as you can see, we have a lot of different supplements, and I use a lot of what we call Apex energetics. And that's because some of those nutrients tend to work better for certain conditions, especially with the neuro rehab type of patients. But we carry about 15 to 20 different companies that we utilize for nutrition. We also have some refrigeration products and so forth, so it works pretty well in our office. So those are our supplements, and obviously you know that we do a lot of nutrition and functional medicine in this office, and this is our office in terms of consultation. So we do our 75-minute consultation right here, and this is where we do most of figuring out what the patient needs in terms of their supplements and so forth. I have a little iPad right here, and I want to show you this because we utilize this for some brain rehab things. So if you look here, this is called a focus builder, and it's based on eye movements, and the eye movements can be very beneficial for kids who have ADD, ADHD, along with brain rehab like post-concussion and so forth. So it's got a lot of different little apps in here. This is a optokinetic one, and if you go here, there's something called saccades. So we can do memory guided saccades here and so forth. So there's a lot of little things you can do with this to help rehab the brain. And over here is some of our homeopathics. So we do a lot of black and white things. We look at what's wrong on our labs, what's wrong in terms of black and white. But we also do some things that are in the gray area, what we call homeopathics. So these are all different types of vials. We call them isodes and sarcodes. Basically, here it's more color-coded. So we can figure out what body organ is being stressed and what type of agent is stressing it. Is it heavy metals? Is it bacteria, viruses, etc.? So these are all our different types of vials that we help go deep within a patient's body to figure out what's going on with that patient. So these are all the different categories of agents and body parts and so forth. So it's a great way to kind of delve deep into someone's health issues. So that's that. And as we move across here, this is our flexion distraction table. So we do see some chronic lower back cases, sciatica, disc patients, and so forth. And this table actually will separate, and we can actually take the patient's lower back and rotate it and shift it side to side and distract it in the long axis. And it's great for disc or chronic disc patients or even facet syndromes and so forth. And that's what we do. And in our office, we also have an air purifier if you want to get one. This is a pretty good one. It's called the Air Doctor. I leave it in my office to get fresh air and circulation in here. So as we walk over here, again, we're back in the reception area, and walk down this little hallway here. And as we walk into this room, I do most of our chronic musculoskeletal type work in this office. So right over here to my left, this is called the intersegmental traction table. It's an old school chiropractic table. It's great for intersegmental traction, so basically separating the facet joints within the spine, and it's basically a good massage also on top of that. And we go over here. This is our most used table in terms of utilizing it for laser applications, manipulation, and so forth. And if we go over here, we have our advanced ultrasound stim unit, interferential current, Russian stim. You can use it a lot for a lot of different conditions. And then right over here on this side, this is where we do our computerized decompression of the lower back or the neck for that severe condition where you have leg pain and arm pain. It's been a fantastic tool in terms of helping those patients with those chronic conditions. And then if you look over here, I laid out some tools, and right here are Graston tools. When we can't get to a certain area, or we can't get deep enough with our hands to break up scar tissue and inflammation and really get the muscles to function properly, we'll use these tools in the shoulder, lower back, knees, etc. And we also use kinesio tape, or in this case it's called rock tape, and we use it to tape up certain areas. It's a flexible tape. It helps to decrease inflammation while you have free range of motion in the shoulder, the knee, or the lower back. So it's a great little adjunct to it. And then right over here, I love this little tool here. It's called a rapid release. It's a high velocity vibration machine, but it's great for breaking up scar tissue. It's fantastic for things like knees and shoulders, and we use that a lot with our chronic patients. And then we swing over here, and I'll back up here, you can see this. That's our laser application. So what this does is it decreases inflammation, and you got to wear goggles when you're in here when we put the lasers on. So when we do this, let me just show you real quick. And if we start it, and I'll shine it against the wall so I'm not looking at it, but you can see the laser application here. And this laser application is great for healing, decreasing inflammation, improving mitochondrial function in the tissues. So it helps to heal tissues or injured areas much, much faster than a typical treatment would do in terms of, like, let's say, muscle stimulation. Okay, so it's a great tool for chronic pain and managing inflammation. We actually use it on the brain. We also actually use it for people who have a lot of bloating, and it's great for knocking down inflammation. And you can see this is our big window that looks outside, and we're going to swing out here to one of the other rooms, and we're going to swing into this room, and we have this little machine here. It's basically a vibration plate. And what we use it for is cerebellar rehab, or people who have actually, let's say, knee problems and so forth. It's a great way to stimulate the cerebellum in terms of balance. And it's a great way to exercise, actually, on the vibration plate. And then we swing over this way. And in this room, it looks pretty empty, actually. But we utilize it a lot for things like peripheral neuropathy. So we have these tubs here. We fill it with water, and we can stimulate someone's lower extremity or their feet for people who have neuropathy, peripheral neuropathy due to chemotherapy, diabetes, or even what they call small fiber neuropathy and so forth. So it's a great adjunct. And then we have these little tools that we use on a lot of different patients. So this right here is a high volt galvanic stimulator, great for pain and stimulating the nervous system. And then we'll have this right here, and that is a peripheral nerve stimulator, and it's great for, again, nerve issues. And right there is our Mind Alive. It's basically biofeedback, basically, or neurofeedback. It's great for anxiety, balancing the brain from left to right. We can use these goggles here with lights on them to stimulate certain hemispheres of the brain, and we have sound associated with that. And we also have a transcranial stimulation, so it's great for vagal stimulation. So it's a great little tool. So we have those things that we utilize in this room. And we might do some balance work in here also. We have some balance boards in here for that. Okay, and we're going to swing out this way. And this is our other room. As we walk in here, this is a great piece of equipment. This is a PEMF, Pulse Electromagnetic Frequency machine. It's fantastic for healing. So it actually increases the healing rate between 5 and 10 times. So it's fantastic for people who have chronic pain. It's also great for just general cellular healing. So it's like cellular exercise. You can exercise your cells, so it's healthier, and the turnover is faster, and improves overall function. So the PEMF has been a valuable tool in terms of helping a lot of our chronic patients. So people who come in and they have, let's say, thyroid problems, and they come in here for functional medicine, but they also have lower back issues, brain fog, and some other things going on. So this is a great way to speed up the healing process. It really does a great job at that. And there's different accessories associated with it here, different paddles and rings that we can use for small joints and abdominal issues and so forth. So it's been a great little tool. So this is kind of a relaxation room. Most patients will be in here for about 30 minutes being put on the PEMF machine. So, and let's go swing back out this way. And we're walking down. And this is again our reception area. All right, so I'm going to swing back into my office space here. And we'll put this on my desk. And I don't know if I'm in focus here, but I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel, subscribing to my Facebook page. Please share. We have some unique tools that we utilize other than just diet and nutrition in terms of functional medicine. We have a lot of advanced adjunctive therapy that can be beneficial for a lot of different conditions. So patients are a little confused sometimes is, what does he do? Well, we take care of chronic autoimmune disease, chronic pain issues, chronic neurodegeneration like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease. So we help manage these types of patients. You know, we don't take them off their medications or anything like that, but we can enhance what they're doing with their medical doctor and so forth, and get them out and living a daily life rather than being home and confined because they're in pain or they have neurodegeneration. So if you like the office, please share it, and we'll see you next Tuesday on the healthy side. This is Dr. Jin Sung, where clinical excellence meets excellent results. We'll see you next week.